Well, another mandate making its way to New York State. The COVID-19 vaccine mandate for healthcare workers is set to begin September 27th, but that date might change. A federal judge, as we reported to you this week, has temporarily blocked the state of New York from forcing medical workers to be vaccinated after a group of healthcare workers sued, saying their constitutional rights were violated. Our 18 News reporter Kevin Gefeller has been following this story. He joins us now live in the studio with more on this lawsuit. Good evening, Kevin.
Yes, good evening, Zach. Now, Judge David Hurd in Utica issued the order Tuesday after 17 health professionals claimed that their rights were violated with a vaccine mandate that disallowed religious exemptions. Now, Governor Kathy Hochul commenting on this lawsuit today, and I spoke with an attorney about its merit.
I believe the mandates are smart.
New York State issued an order on August 28th requiring at least a first shot for healthcare workers at hospitals and nursing homes by September 27th. However, 17 medical professionals are now suing the state, claiming religious exemptions must be permitted. A lawyer weighing in.
The lawsuit has merit to the extent that there's not a religious exemption allowance right now. The lawsuit doesn't have merit beyond that, but that's the thrust of the lawsuit. So as long as the state changes its mandate to allow for a religious exemption, it's going to be lawful.
Hochul saying that won't happen.
We left off that in our regulations intentionally. This is my personal opinion because I'm going to we'll be defending this in court. I'm not aware of a sanctioned religious exemption from any organized religion. In fact, they're encouraging the opposite. They're encouraging their members, everybody from the Pope on down, is encouraging people to get vaccinated.
Ostrov says religious exemptions are required, but there must be legitimate reasoning.
So it's got to allow for that, but then the employer or the state has the right to evaluate the request. You don't just get a religious exemption because you claim a religious exemption. It has to be a genuinely held religious belief. And I think people who are relying on a successful lawsuit as opposed to getting the vaccine are going to find themselves on the short end of the stick in most cases.